Hi, mommy. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I decided to film this makeup look right here. I have worn this shirt in one of my past makeup videos, but I wanted to do something a little bit more smokier. I did use the Balm's Meet Matte Trimony palette. I think I've only ever used this palette on camera one other time, and the first time that I used it, I didn't like it, honestly. I thought it was patchy and stuff, but this time I think it worked pretty good. I like it so far. For this eye look, I did only use 2 eyeshadow brushes. That's it, and I used 3 colors, and I got this really smoky purpley eyeshadow look. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Plus, everything on my face is Drugstore except for a moisturizer. I did use the Tarte moisturizer, but this video is just gonna be quiet. I'm not gonna say anything. And you know what? I forgot to put on lip gloss. I'm gonna do like a gloss today. I'm gonna use the Hard Candy American Girl. Is gloss still a thing? Like, do people still use gloss, or is it just still about mattes? This is what I always had on my lips in high school. It's the Hard Candy American Girl lip gloss. It's from the drugstore. Find it at Walmart. But let's go ahead and get into this video. Bye guys. Bye.